Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use DistroKid Spotify Canvas Generator. If you don't already know, Spotify Canvas is a short, looping video that makes your music look really engaging on the platform. It's moving album art, in other words. Spotify claims that when listeners see a canvas, they're 20% more likely to add your track to a playlist and 9% more likely to visit your profile for more of your music. So, DistroKid Spotify Canvas Generator is going to make it really quick and easy for you to find videos to make a canvas out of. Basically, it uses your search terms to scan this massive library of royalty-free clips and then shows you the most relevant ones. It could be a mood, a location, an object, whatever. So I'm just gonna type in a term, something that's just off the top of my head, and it's got me 201 results. Some are definitely more relevant than others, but you can see there's a lot. Obviously, this one is more what I was looking for than that guy who's really angry at his homework up there. So I just click on this clip. The video has to be between 3 and 8 seconds long, so you can just readjust the length of the clip. Change the starting and ending point, shrink it down. As long as the whole thing fits within that 3 to 8 second range, you can always preview it to make sure it's the segment you want. Another thing you can do is crop and adjust the focal point of the video. So let's say I really want the focus of my video to be that big exhale. I can pull on the corners to change the size and crop out the part I don't want, just like that. The Canvas generator will automatically fit your video for Spotify, so you don't need to worry about that. And no matter what, it's gonna be in this vertical format because that's how it'll appear on Spotify. Once you're done cropping and adjusting, just click the next button. It processes really quick, plus the gremlin gets a step in while you wait. And there's the fruits of your labor, a looping video that will look great with your song on Spotify. Now it's ready to download. You'll upload it to Spotify separately, but when you use the Canvas generator, everything's already good to go for that next step. If you end up changing your mind or feeling like you picked the wrong section of the clip, you can update and replace your video at any time. And that's it. Check out the Spotify Canvas generator at distrokid.com/canvas. Thanks for watching and hope you like it.